precious people, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen Gerard. I am the president and CEO of Gerard Cosmetics, and this channel is monetized for charity, which means by watching the videos, watching the ads, sharing the videos, leaving a little like or a little comment, you are supporting two fabulous charities in my area. The first is the Domestic Violence Program at the Child and Family Center, and the other is Rescues on the Runway, which is an incredible dog rescue. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell down below so that you'll know anytime that I upload a new video. This is going to be a really fun video to make, and I'm kind of hoping that we can make a series out of it. So maybe you guys can tell me down in the comments if that's something that you would enjoy. I really just wanted to showcase some of the smaller YouTube channels that I watch, and honestly there's so many that I could not possibly name them all, and as it is I've got a fairly extensive list, and I'm going to look at my phone so that I don't miss anybody in my notes, but inevitably I will miss people because, like I said, pretty much all I watch is small creators, and I watch a lot of YouTube. But I want you guys to recommend to me, and by small creator, I mean people with less than 10,000 subscribers. So let's just start there. Less than 10,000 subscribers. I love girls, boys, and anything that is beauty related, like I will watch. And so I'm just going to give you a few of my top ones. Maybe you can recommend more to me down in the comments, and maybe we can make this a series. You can help me find some new channels, and because I need more YouTube to watch in my spare time, of course. And I just love to support smaller creators. You guys know that I'm preaching to the choir. So the first, and these are in no particular order, is Brandys Reviews. I love Brandys Reviews. I don't know what it is about her personality. She is so cute. I love her unboxings. Like her unboxings, I don't know, I could just feel the suspense as she's opening things, and she has kind of a poker face with stuff, so you never really know right away when she opens it if she loves it or not. And but I so enjoy her channel. She also talks about romance novels, life type issues, and of course all things beauty. So I highly recommend that you check her out. She's a really, really neat lady to watch. Mrs. Sinii is just a sweetheart of a person. I consider her a friend. She's just amazing, and I really encouraged her to start a YouTube channel. I kind of forced her, but she does the most incredible tutorials, and for some reason, I can see people do looks all day long because I'm still a beginner with makeup, and but I see her do a look and I actually feel like I can do it. And it's just the way that she explains things and the way that she shows things is really precise, and I feel that she is an amazing tutorialist, and you are not going to want to miss hers. Candices Vanity is just so creative. I don't know any other way to put it. And she's got such a fun, quirky personality. I love to watch her lives. I watched her live on Facebook. She does insane makeup though. Don't let the girl fool you. And yeah, you definitely need to give her channel a look. Valeria Ramos, again, I consider a friend, just a beautiful human being all the way around. She's a good wife. She's a great mom. She's gorgeous. And she does the most insane makeup you will ever see. And I think with a little bit of encouragement from us to create more videos, she would. And I think her channel would really, really take off. Christopher J MUA, again, a friend. He recently came to LA with his boyfriend, and I got to spend some time with them. And I already loved him, just to be honest. He just has such a positive, uplifting personality, and watching him over the last little over a year that I've been watching his channel, I have seen his makeup skills really blossom. So you know that it's something that he is really, really focusing on, and I love that, and I love that it gives him happiness, to do this. And he's made a lot of positive changes in his life over the last years, and I just want to see him just continue to succeed and blow it up because he's so good. Anna's Rants and Beauty is such a fun channel. She talks about a lot of like serious real life things. She recently got married, so congratulations on that, girl. But she's just a lovely person. She's very honest. She's very authentic. She speaks her mind, but is how do I say, like understanding and non-judgmental of other people's opinions, and I just really enjoy her channel. I think I was her 21st subscriber, if I'm not mistaken. I think I was her 21st. She just passed 200, so that's amazing. And I hope again that she puts more time and effort and videos up on her channel for me to enjoy and watch, because I really do enjoy watching her. And just so you guys know, I try to leave a comment whenever I can when I'm watching videos, but a lot of times I'm listening while I'm working, while I'm answering YouTube comments, you know, DMs, emails, and even sometimes while I'm driving, while I'm in my office. So I don't always get a chance to leave a comment, but I do try whenever I watch videos to leave a comment whenever possible, because I know sometimes your comment can really make somebody's day, just to know that somebody's watching, especially with smaller creators. Just to know that they're seen, I think to them is so huge. And so I really go out of my way to let people know that they're seen. And I hope that if you watch some of these channels, you will do the same. And by the way, I will link all of these channels in the description box, of course, so that you can check them out for yourself. And I hope that you will. Britt Clark. Britt Clark does insane makeup, and she's very funny. She does a lot of lives on her channel. She's got a lot of good recommendations for makeup and stuff like that. And she's super funny to watch, and yet informative and entertaining. So I really enjoy watching her. I love her lives. There's always a lively discussion. And, you know, as a brand owner, I try to participate in as many lives as I can. I feel like wherever I can find a lot of people to talk to, I'm going to learn things that are going to help me to be a better brand owner. So, you know, in life, we are always learning, we're always growing. And so I do find lively discussion over on her channel. Paige Awning is just sickly talented. Is that a word? Sickly talented? She is so talented as an artist. And she has a pop-in Instagram, and she's been fairly consistent with putting up YouTube content. I'm very proud of her for doing that. Her tutorials are off the hook. They're sometimes very in-depth looks that you just look at and you go, oh, there's just no way that I could do that. But then when you watch her do it, it's like, oh, it doesn't look so hard. So so that would be one that I would definitely take a look at. Dana Banana. I just love her personality. I think she is sweet. She's funny. She puts some work into her videos. I think the Stacy Murray palette videos alone, she's done 3 or 4 videos and maybe 20, 25 looks with that palette. So if she does a multiple looks with one palette, on a palette that you own, you are going to want to see that, because she's going to show you how to use that palette so many different ways. And I, for one, really love that, because it helps you stretch your dollar. You don't have to buy every new thing that comes out. You know, if you have a lot of tutorials for how to use the stuff that you have in different ways. So I think that's amazing. Reina Sugar Skull, I watch her videos. First of all, she has the most gorgeous eyes I have ever seen. And secondly, she's so supportive of everyone else. She is always commenting back to people on Twitter, you know, encouraging them, retweeting their looks and all of that. And her channel is just fun to watch. She doesn't post a lot of videos, but when she does some pretty insane makeup and insane reviews. I love them. Mrs. Topak J, Esther. She is Australian. I love her videos. They are so much fun. And she's a great lady too. She works, I believe, in a hospital, and makes videos on the side. Love her content. Her reviews are spot on. And, you know, it's always cool to hear from people around the globe and hear, you know, different perspectives on things. Because there's like a lack of availability of products in, you know, in some places around the world. And Australia is one of those where it is difficult to get product. So I just really enjoy her content. Chat with Lou is a good friend of mine. She is just a sweetheart of a person. She does very, very, very beautiful makeup. And again, she does a lot of lives. I really enjoy her lives. I enjoy the discussion. I enjoy her videos, her reviews. Honestly, I enjoy all the content that she puts out, and she is very, very committed to her YouTube channel and always does a good job of uploading consistently. Gary Hill, I found him when he had, I want to say about 75 subscribers. He's well over 100, maybe over 200 now, if not getting close. He's just fun. He just has such a kind, gentle, sweet heart about him, and I enjoy watching his makeup journey. I think at first he was a little intimidated to play with makeup, and it's been so nice to just watch him kind of come into his own with that. I really have enjoyed that. And he has great taste in makeup. I love the stuff that he gets. He got the Pac-Man collection. I was so jealous because I couldn't get it. I thoroughly enjoyed that. And yeah. And also, if you, he has a great, I don't know if you'd call it like a coming out story on his channel. So, you know, if you have a child or a friend or somebody who's struggling with something like that, please refer them to his video. I think it would be, super helpful to them. J Hart. J Hart is all heart. So I am at, what event was I at? BeautyCon this year in LA. And I hear this, Jen Gerard. And I'm like, and there he was. And he just came up, open arms, gave me the most giant hug and just said, you know, I really just love you. And you know, thank you for supporting all of us. I love his energy. I love his channel. I believe that he is kind, and let me tell you, girl, does some really insane makeup that you will really enjoy watching. And it's just all love and personality. So what's not to like about that? Pat Wallace is somebody that I found fairly recently, like within the last few months. I had done an eyelash tutorial on how to put on false lashes. As a matter of fact, I'll link that here. And he used my video and made his own video attempting to follow my steps to see how, how it works. And I loved it. He turned himself into a jawbreaker. Unbelievable. Just the concepts that he comes up with are so insane, and then the execution is so spot on. You are definitely, if you enjoy makeup and art, you are definitely going to want to check him out. And last on my list for today is Alex Alvarez. I think she might be the cutest person on YouTube. There is something about this girl. She just radiates love and positivity. She has the most adorable smile, and whenever I watch her channel, I just feel happy watching it. So you definitely are going to want to check her out. She is from Canada, and she actually got me to check out something other than Lululemon in pants. So that's a first. She actually influenced me, which is amazing. I love that. And I just love her. I just think she's a doll. So please go and check her out, as I hope that you will check out all of these channels. Like I said, I will definitely link them down below. I would love to make a series out of this and do a video like this maybe once a month. So if you want to leave suggestions down below, or, you know, if you have a channel, raise your paw so I can subscribe to you and watch your videos. I just love supporting small creators. I feel like everybody starts somewhere, and it's just what I love to do. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm sure I left many channels out that I just love, but the video would be 10 hours long if I told you all the channels that I watch, all the channels that I love. So I tried to just pick a few that were, you know, representative of different styles of beauty channels that that you might be interested in. So please let me know your thoughts down below. Again, please recommend your smaller creators, which for our purposes, we'll say are under 10,000 YouTube subscribers. So let's start there, and maybe we can build this into some kind of really cool series, you know, cool people to follow on Twitter, cool people to follow on Instagram, and, you know, make it into something bigger and more fun. But that's all going to start with your participation. So if you made it this far in the video, why not share the video? Sharing is caring. After all, it is the holiday season. Time for sharing. And don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to this channel down below, and ring the bell so that you'll know anytime that I upload a new video. I just want to say that this is the 4th video we're filming today, and I think he's worn out. So, but never out of my reach, of course. I hope wherever you are and whatever you're doing, you're just having an amazing day, and I'll be talking to you very soon. Bye.